All right. Gmail. We talk a lot about using Google. Google this, Google that, use the Google apps. The main reason why we have chosen the Google format for email versus Yahoo or mail.com or even using Outlook. If you guys have Outlook on your computer and then you're having trouble with your email, I can't help you. I can't. Not even going to try. Um, I encourage everyone to use Gmail because it's free. When you go to get your business Gmail account, have fun with it. Um, you can use your name if you haven't already, but you want to have it separate from your personal email because of the amount of emails you can get a day. And that's not just spam. You're going to get notices that your ads are expiring and you don't want to miss those because you want to renew them, right? But with Gmail, it's going to ask you when you're adding a new account, do you want it, is it for yourself, for a student, or for business? Do not use business. Do not use student. Business, it will cost you money. Rory doesn't say to pay for it. He says do free. Don't do student, you will have major restrictions on your email. And most of the things you try to receive won't get to you because it's in as a student. Use the for yourself. If I could go back 7 years and change my email from prosperinggoals@gmail.com, I would. Because when Rory came out with that V marketing voicemail, PROSPERINGGOALS@gmail.com. Okay, do you know how many people miss that middle G? Prospering Ols is what they spell. So don't get cutesy futesy. I know Bill Plus, he used his initials and RRR247. Absolutely fine. You guys can incorporate your own URL into your email. It will help you remember your URL. Okay. But that's the email you're going to want to use when you're posting ads, when you sign up for the free account at classifiedsforfree.com, when you sign up for classifiedads.com, US Net ads, you're going to want to use it in there. Locanto, all of them that when they have a free account, do the free account, y'all, and use your business email. Gail, did I cover everything that you were concerned about with the Gmail? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I think those were the things that we just. Oh, the other thing was make sure that they come in on the Google Chrome browser.
Yes. Google Chrome browser. How many of you are comfortable helping someone get Google Chrome browser as their default? How many of you need to do that yet? Nobody? Everybody's in? You all have Google Chrome already? Awesome. All right. My trick on how I remember how to do things, guys, if someone, like I just walked a student earlier this week on Monday into Google Chrome from Bing. The other reason why we don't want to use anything but Google Chrome, you don't get any distracting ads that, the Pope's in the coal mine. No, he's not. He's in the hospital. You get all the wonderful gossipy stuff, right? You don't want the distractions when you're working. Use Google. Stay off of Yahoo, stay off of Bing, stay off of MSN. They all bring you the crap. But what I do is I literally am doing it on my own computer with them over the phone. Okay. And what I do is I'll say, oh, okay, you know what? Great. Okay, I've got them on there where I'm already logged into their page. And they tell them, I'm trying to help them log in. Oh, by the way, are you in Google Chrome? Oh, I don't have Google Chrome. Okay, let's hold off on logging in right now. What I want you to do is down at the bottom on your toolbar, this is actually called a taskbar at the bottom, where all these little icons are at the bottom. And I want you to click on the little Windows button. It's that square with four squares, four squares made up into a square. Oh yeah, what's that going to do? Well, let's click on it and find out. It brings this screen up. And they're going to be like, oh, wow, I didn't know this. I didn't either. When I first started, I didn't know all this stuff. But then we go into settings. It just seems logical. We go into settings. And this is Windows 11. Most everybody is going to have Windows 11 because Windows 10 come October is not going to be supported anymore. Okay. So if you have a student that's coming in with Windows XP, they're going to want to see if their computer will qualify for Windows 11. And I'm going to tell you, 98% chance it ain't. Anything Windows 10 or older is not supported or going to be supported. But what we do here is, okay, we're going to go into apps. We click on apps. Now we got all these different kind of fun apps. No, we want default apps because we are making Google Chrome our default. And this is where it's kind of fun. Now mine is already defaulted to Google Chrome, so it doesn't pop up here, but a new student right here in this blank area, it will actually say after they've downloaded Google Chrome. Okay, guys, they have to have Google Chrome on their computer. All right. It will actually say, did you want to make Google Chrome your default? Kind of cool. Now, if it doesn't say that, all of these are alphabetical. We're just going to scroll down and you're going to look for Google Chrome. And you're going to tell them, just click on Google Chrome. Oh, look at that. There it is. That's where it is. Make Google Chrome your default browser. Set default. Make them hit that. Mine's already Google. And then they can go through and each one of these, see where it says choose a default? You just click on it and you choose Google Chrome and set default. And they can just walk them through it and say, you know what, I'm going to give you a few minutes to go ahead and do that. Go refill your water, go take a potty break. Make them learn to be independent. All of you came in here thinking you needed to be handheld all the way through it. How do our kids get through a school day? Do they have a teacher holding their hand, holding the pencil, helping them write their name? I don't think so. Everything we do here is we are just getting you started in your business to show you the system. That's our responsibility. We are not here to manage you guys. So don't get into that management mode, but have them go through and do that. Now, am I doing MMS, SMS, telephone? No. I tell them once you get out through HTTPS, you probably do want to make your mail to Google Chrome because you're going to have that Google Gmail. And that's as far as I take them. I don't go looking for trouble. The bottom four, I don't do texting from my computer using Google yet. Now my new phone says I can, but I'm not going to do that yet. Okay. And when it's done, they just close out of it and close up, or they can just hit the X. And then you want them to find the Google Chrome icon on their taskbar. If it's not there, oh, I don't have them on this one. Hang on. I will reshare. Oh, let me move that over there. I gotta move things out of my screen so you guys don't see everything. Yes. Okay. So if it's not down here in the taskbar, you want them to come over here and find their Google Chrome. Now, I have multiple things because I have a different thing for my HOA that's on a separate server system. So I don't own that email, but you can have them do a right click and not pin to start. It will say add to taskbar, but because mine's already down here in the taskbar, I don't get that option here, but look for add to taskbar and it should pop up there. Now I can bring you guys back over to my other computer screen. And did that give you guys some golden nuggets to make you stronger instructors yourself, help give you guys some more confidence?